Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a Grillz selfie on Higgsfield AI. So if this is your first time of hearing about Higgsfield AI, it's an AI platform that allows you to create mind-blowing visual effects and even image effects, all with the push of a button. Now all you have to do is to log into your account on higgsfield.ai, go to the source section and click on Grillz Selfie. Then you'll be brought to a page similar to what I have displayed on my screen. So all you have to do from this area is to actually search or look through the samples created with this particular image effect and see if you like any of them or any of them speaks to you. So so you can just select any of them, so let me just choose this. I like this. Okay, let me just choose this. So once you click on it, it should bring you to a page where you get to see the prompt used to create that particular image. So all you have to do is to go on to click on recreate. So on the recreate section, you would see your prompt available for you to moderate or modify actually. So you can modify it and make it into your own image. You can look for particular um, particular keywords that have been used. So metallic surface diffusing soft reflections from a nearby vibrant LED light. They wear relaxed charcoal bomber jacket. This is very explanatory. So you can actually just make it into your own. You can Okay, this is a gender neutral review. So you can make it into your own. You can just modify the prompt and give it generate it immediately. So this is high. You can switch to basic to if you are trying to maximize your prompt, your credits. So that will the basic uses a single credit for generation and generates video for the image for you in less than 9 seconds. I mean, this is really great. So that's it guys. So let me know what you think about the video, and if you have any questions, let me also know in the comment section. We are actively trying to grow, so please, we appreciate your subscription to the channel. Thank you very much and do have a great day guys. Please do not forget to drink a lot of water.